Looking for a dependable way to expand your device's storage without breaking the bank? The Kashin 16GB micro SD card 2-pack offers exactly that, extra space and fast performance packed into a compact design. Whether you're snapping photos, recording full HD videos, or storing apps, these micro SDHC cards deliver smooth, reliable results every time. I've tested these cards across several devices, from my smartphone and tablet to a dashcam and even a drone. Each 16GB card handled the load effortlessly, keeping files organized and accessible. The included SD adapter made transferring files to my laptop quick and hassle-free. It's clear these cards were designed with versatility in mind, fitting everything from game consoles to surveillance systems. What really stands out is the performance. Thanks to the UZI standard, the cards reach read speeds up to 75 megabytes per second and write speeds of 10 megabytes per second. That means you can record full HD videos without lag or dropped frames, and transfer high-resolution photos in a flash. No more waiting around for files to move or worrying about interruptions during important recordings. Durability is another key benefit. These micro SD cards are built to resist water, shocks, X-rays, and extreme temperatures. Whether you're out in the field or just handling everyday bumps, your data stays safe and secure. That peace of mind matters when you're capturing precious moments or storing critical files on the go. The 2-pack setup also means you can separate your files by device or purpose, making organization simpler. Plus, the bonus SD adapter adds flexibility for devices with full-size card slots. It's a small addition that makes a big difference when moving data between cameras, computers, or other gadgets. If you're juggling multiple devices or need a reliable storage upgrade that won't slow you down, this Kashin 16GB micro SD card 2-pack is worth a look. It balances solid speed, broad compatibility, and rugged durability, all at a price that makes sense. Ready to boost your device's storage with a trusted micro SDHC card? Give the Kashin 16GB 2-pack a try when you're ready to organize your files and enjoy smooth, secure performance wherever you go.